The resource profile tells the Centrify privileged access system how to interact with the system to log in and manage passwords. Apart from the built-in types, if you want to add custom resource profile, you can do that too. Go to the resources profiles under Resources and click on Add. Provide the system type identifier. This type will be shown while adding a system. Enter the profile name, description, and version. You can also add a logo if you want. Now select Password Complexity Profile. We will be selecting the profile we had created, or you can create a new one here. Now provide a script. This will allow you to create vaulted passwords, control who has access, and audit use of an account. Scripts must be written in JavaScript. The required profile has been created. Have any questions on PAM integration? Contact Sennovate for seamless integration of custom privileged access management solutions. Learn more about Sennovate secrets in our next video. Follow us to stay updated.